I've written all the rules to right side, so we'll easily, get to know what is happening. So my first expression, this is infix expression. I want to convert this into postfix. So I will write 3 columns over here: input, stack, and postfix expression. Okay. So now what is my input expression? First one is A. So you can only add operators into the stack. You cannot add operands into stack. If you get an operand, you have to add it in the postfix expression. So now stack is empty. There are no elements in the stack, right? So postfix operand directly printed in the postfix expression. So next input is plus. So if you get an operator, right? If the stack is empty, you can directly add it in the stack. Okay, the stack is present. So I'm showing it in the symbols. Small diagram. Okay. Now A, nothing is there, you carry out. Next B, you cannot add it into stack. So plus, nothing changed. It's like that only. Now keep it in the stack. So it does not mean any multiplication or anything. It is just written beside B. So you cannot imagine like there is no, there is a multiplication between them. Okay. These are just written beside. That's it. These are individual elements. Now the next expression is division, right? Now I have to check the priorities. If the incoming symbol has highest priority than top of the stack, my incoming symbol is division. It has highest priority than plus. Is it true? Yes. If this is going on, what I have to do? So if this is true, what we have to do? Push into stack. You can directly push what? New operator, that is division. Okay, plus, I'll represent it over here, plus division. Now change over here, so carried. Right? Now the next one is C. C is added at postfix expression. Now multiplication. Now check the top of the stack. Okay, what is the top of the stack? Division, right? So see the priorities. Has equal priority with division. What happens if there is equal priority? You have to go to associativity. What is the associativity? For this, it is right to left, and this is left to right and left to right. So what is the associativity for multiplication and division? It is left to right. What is left to right rule? Pop top and push new. What is the top element? This one, right? So now I will show it here. Pop top. So each time you pop, you have to write it in the post expression. And push star. So you directly can't push again. You have to check one thing. There is one more operator here, right? In there is single operator, you can directly add it like that. So multiplication has highest priority than plus, right? What happens here? Incoming operator has highest priority than top of the stack. Then you can directly push on the stack. That's the reason why I push directly, right? Now what are the elements present? Plus and multiplication. So this is directly carried. Okay. So after multiplication, my next expression is D. So D, this stack is not being changed. So A, B, C / D. Okay. Now I'm erasing this. Please copy it. Okay. Now I'm trying to add plus. Okay. Now plus is there. The stack is there. Okay. I'll write it over here. So for example, my operator is plus. Okay. I hope you have written till here. Okay. Now my new operator is plus. Now I have to compare if plus is having highest priority or lowest priority. Plus is having lowest priority than multiplication. Okay. If the incoming symbol has less priority than top of the stack, then pop top and push new. What is the top? This one. So you have to pop it and write A, B, C by D. And what is the popped element? Multiplication. Right. There is one more element. Again, you have to check. Plus has equal priority to plus Now, what is meant by equal priority associativity? What is the associativity for plus? Left to right, pop top, push new. What is the top element? This one. Okay, this is popped and I have written this over here. Now, what is the new element? This one. So, stack is containing plus over there. Okay? Right? Now, next what am I doing? Last one is E. So, I can directly add E into my postfix. Okay? Finally, what is left in the stack? Plus. Right? There are no other operators to be executed or no other operands to be added into postfix. So, pop my plus. So, this is the postfix expression. Okay?